Welcome to my channel, Dr. Shahbaz S. I am Dr. Shahbaz S, a PhD and postdoctoral scholar, and I am delighted to welcome you to this learning platform. This channel is dedicated to students, researchers, academics, lecturers, and professionals who want to strengthen their skills in research methodology, statistical analysis, qualitative data analysis, and academic research. Here I will be sharing complete step-by-step courses rather than just short or isolated tutorials. My objective is simple: to help you learn, analyze, interpret, and publish your research more effectively. So, if research and data analysis are important to you, please subscribe to the channel and join me throughout this learning journey. Okay, so before I introduce the courses, let me briefly tell you about my academic background. So, I have approximately 12 years of academic experience in teaching, research, academic writing, and data analysis. During my academic career, I have published more than 45 research papers in Q1 and Q2 journals, including journals indexed in SSCI and ESCI. So I have a very long journey in academic research and data analysis. So throughout this journey, I have worked with different research methodologies, statistical techniques, qualitative approaches, and analytical software. I created this channel because I want to translate this academic and research experience into practical, easy to follow training. Instead of only explaining theory, I will show you how to actually perform the analysis, how to interpret the results, and how to report those results in your thesis, dissertation, or research paper. So now let me show you some of the complete statistical courses that will be available on this channel. So you can see here I will make complete courses, step-by-step training on IBM SPSS, SmartPLS, SEM, IBM AMOS, Stata, ADANCO, WarpPLS, Minitab, MATLAB, Python, RStudio, Microsoft Excel, Qualtrics survey. So you will also learn how to use these software like NVivo, ATLAS, MAXQDA, Quirkos for qualitative analysis to develop, import, organize, code the data, develop themes, interpret and report the findings. So on this channel, I will be uploading complete courses on major statistical and quantitative research tools. So you can see, like I explained before, these will include these software. So I will take you from the basic concept to more advanced publications. For example, we will cover data preparation, descriptive statistics, reliability and validity, factor analysis, regression, mediation, moderation, structural function modeling, and many other techniques where appropriate. Most importantly, I will not simply show you which buttons to click. I will explain why we use a particular technique, when we should use it, how to perform the analysis, how to interpret the output, and how to report the findings academically. Our approach will therefore be: learn it, apply it, interpret it, and report it. So, and this channel is not limited to quantitative, but we will also extensively cover qualitative data analysis. As I have explained, where to import, organize, code the data, develop themes, and report and interpret the findings. So, for researchers with interviews, focus groups, documents, open-ended responses, or other qualitative data, I will provide complete qualitative analysis courses as well. We will work on different software so that you can learn it easily. I will guide you through the complete process, how to import and organize your data, how to develop codes, how to create categories and themes, how to explore relationships with your data, and finally how to interpret and report your quantitative findings. But becoming a successful researcher requires more than knowing analytical software. Beyond software, therefore, this channel will go beyond statistical and qualitative software. I will also share lectures on research methodologies, research design, literature reviews, academic writing, thesis, dissertation writing, and research publication. We will discuss practical strategies related to Scopus and Web of Science journals as well as academic document preparation using Microsoft Word. Another important area will be artificial intelligence for researchers. I will show you how tools such as ChatGPT and other AI-based research tools can be used responsibly and effectively to support different stages of the research process. Ultimately, my objective is to help you develop the complete research skill set from developing your research idea to analyzing your data and communicating your findings professionally. So, if there are the skills you want to develop, I invite you to become part of this channel. Please subscribe, like, and join the community. Whether you are a student, master, or PhD scholar, researcher, lecturer, academic, or professional, there will be something valuable for you on this channel. I will continue uploading complete courses and practical lectures to help make complex research concepts easier to understand and apply. So please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss the upcoming courses and video tutorials. If you find my lectures useful, please like the videos. Your support will help this educational content reach more students and researchers around the world. And please use the comment section to ask questions and tell me which software or research course you would like me to cover next. Once again, I am Dr. Shahbaz S and I welcome you to this research learning community platform. Let us learn, analyze, interpret, and publish together. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the first lecture.